Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a lowrider style skateboard. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's just get to it.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Ride gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers, about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I pave my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey.
Here you go, guys. It's a simple design. Now all we gotta do, start painting it. That's what we're gonna do next. Here we are. Now it's time to paint it. Now there's two ways I can do this, or there's two ways you can do this. One of them, get yourself either an airbrush or a little minigun and start tracing all the lines with your candy, either shadowing or tracing them. It takes a little longer, but it'll give you a really nice detailed look. Now what I'm gonna do the simplest way for you guys to learn how to make patterns, which is the patterns are already done. I'm gonna cover it up completely with candy. That's the easiest way for you guys to learn how to do lowrider patterns. I'm just going to cover it up completely with candy, then come back, remove all the taping, all the lines, and you'll have a really nice design. Now after that, you clear coat it and you're good to go. So let's do that. Let's do it the simple way so that you guys can see that it will still look real nice. Now the paint gun I'm going to be using is the 830 from Avalon. This is a minigun, and this one has a 1.0 tip, 1.0 tip. So let's just put that candy on this paint gun, start applying it. Also, the candies that I'm using is from Rob Vanderslice Paint Supply, and this one's a purple. These are already mixed and ready to go, ready to shoot. So let's pour this on the gun and apply it. All the information to the materials that I'm using, guys, are going to be in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you, and let's get to this. Here, as you can see, the first coat of the candy. I'm going to be applying like 4 coats, and that'll be it. There it is, the third coat. It's coming along. 1 more coat and that should be it. There you go. 4 coats of the candy. And it's kind of weird that the camera is picking it up as blue. It is purple. But for some reason the camera's picking it up a different color. But there it is, guys. 4 coats of the candy. I think that's more than enough. Now what we need to do, start removing all the tape lines. Here it is, with all the tape lines removed. Now, all we need to do, apply some clear coat so that this lowrider pattern can pop. Let's go. Also, now you see how simple it is to do some patterns. Now, if you would have done it with the airbrush or a minigun, start shading everything, it'll give you a different look. But this is the simplest way for you guys to start learning how to do lowrider patterns. Here it is after 3 coats of clear. Looks good. Now, yeah, there is a couple of dirt nibs here and there, which we'll polish out. But there it is, guys. This is the simplest way to do lowrider patterns. And this is going to be it, guys. This is going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. And I hope you now know how to do lowrider patterns. There you go, guys. Thank you very much. This will be it for this video. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. And like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Faraway spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner tattooed.